The Swiss ball dumbbell chest press primarily targets the muscles in the chest with secondary involvement from the shoulders and triceps. Doing a chest press on a Swiss ball increases core engagement for stability, but the instability limits how much weight you can lift compared to using a bench. If you're lifting heavy, stick with the bench. Here's how to do it correctly. Sit on a Swiss ball with your core engaged for stability. Grab a pair of dumbbells and rest them vertically on your thighs. Slowly walk your feet forward, rolling down the ball until your upper back and shoulders are supported by the ball. Keep your feet firmly planted on the floor, hip width apart, with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Contract your core and glutes to keep your hips lifted to create a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold the dumbbells at chest level with an overhand grip with your palms facing forward. Exhale, then contract your chest muscles to push the weights up as you extend your arms straight up towards the ceiling, directly over your chest, keeping a slight bend in your elbows to protect your joints. Inhale as you slowly lower the dumbbells in a controlled manner down to your sides of your chest, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body to minimize shoulder strain. Lower the weights until your elbows are slightly below the level of your chest. Keep your core engaged to maintain stability on the Swiss ball and avoid allowing your hips to sag or your back to arch excessively during the movement. Repeat for reps. To safely get off the Swiss ball after your set, bring the dumbbells to your chest, roll your body down the ball until you're seated, keeping the dumbbells close, then place them on your thighs before lowering them to the floor. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.